Okay. A losing week this week. Well, last week. It happens. Took out my profits, all my profits. So I'm back to square one, but I am taking a challenge. So yeah, below just below 10k. But this is the pair what got me. If you see it, everybody can see it. All right. So this, yeah, took liquidity, yeah, took the low. Then from that, of course, you can measure this out. Maybe around here for like put interest. So here it was doing its funky business. Yep. Ideally market could have came here. It was a fair value gap on a daily, as well as equal highs here, but it's not the lowest equal low. Here is the lowest equal low, but this one is an equal low mixed with a fair value gap on the higher time frame. So it's very likely to go there and then shoot back up, possibly, or just go through it, and it will be a very momentous point of the market where it could be changing. So if it was to produce a displacement right here, then you know the market is looking to go down majorly and then go to this midpoint of the fair value gap on the weekly. Yeah, there you go. So let's go back to the 4 hour. So with this one now, I saw, okay, cool. Here, this is a up close candle. Also, like, it's known to have a lot of support and resistance traits. So when I've seen that, I thought, okay, cool. Let's play it out. I thought, okay, cool. Nice. Being patient and everything, all of that. So I thought, okay, cool. So I'm looking at this side right here. I'm not looking at this. So at this side right here. Where is my first PD array / point of interest where the market can take out? So I said, okay. I said here. Was that okay? I heard that. Right here, fair value gap. Run. This is all Friday. So run. I said, okay. Let's get in the mix. Right here. From here. Yeah. So did it smooth. And then I also took another trade, expecting it to go down. I think it was like it's on the 5 minute. Yeah, from here, from this point, yeah, right here, then got in. And then I did this, like this push up here, randomly, like literally random, and then whipped at the midpoint of the up close candle, and then decides to go in my direction, but then still stops and goes the other way. But this is Monday, and these things can happen very random. Took me out. I thought I was onto something, going down to here, possibly here, you know. But no, the market had another objective. So I was correct, but I was also wrong. So it happens. We move, and then on the SP 500. Yeah, this was juicy. I can't even lie to you. Like, this was juicy. Yeah, proper juice. Alright, took out the relative equal lows on the day. Yeah. After that's been taken, I did have a fair value gap on the day, and that's where I was concentrating on mostly, because I was thinking, okay, cool, you know, I'm not gonna go down to the lower time frame because it has taken equal low. I was like, okay, cool, that's it. So I was thinking, when I saw this on I was waiting for the market to tell me what's going on, so I just left it as it is. But I should have went back, because on the 4 hour, the market pulled back to a down close candle, wicked. I proper wicked it on the entrance, wicked it. Yeah. Remember, we're gonna go for the Fair Value Gap was the most, like, the one above the 25. That's our first point of interest, or the PDRA. So I had a little Fair Value Gap here, but also took out a up close candle, and then along here has a trail of Fair Value Gaps. And if you're gonna know, yes, it's probably gonna be below 25%. Yeah. So this was our first PDRA to consider. Went past it, okay, cool. Down close candle, and then shut up. But that wasn't an entrance, because this is way out of our time, our trading time. So because we went above this fair value gap, that's why I'm attaching this level to it. Let's get rid of this, and then this is our first touch into a 15-minute PDRA. Yeah. So when it touched there, then now we're in the next day, like Wednesday. Now we're looking for PDRAs all along here. Okay, one that I can spot the two fair value gaps. One here, which already been kind of taken, kind of created a relative equal high, and a fair value gap here. So what I could be waiting for, or what I should be waiting for, is for it to be taken, and like I say, initially the 15-minute fair value gap held. Then once a higher time frame holds, then we go hold, take, hold. So me saying that, 50-minute fair value gap hold, then the market took, let's say, this fair value gap and this fair value gap and this relative equal highs. So it took that and left the fair value gap powers, and then created an order block. Me personally, I use the wick also, and I would use the wick in this one, not this one, because the market had the intentions to go down that low, and I count the wick. Some traders, they don't count the wick. ICT says don't count the wick, but me personally, I count the wick. So, and I would have used here, and here as an order block. Would have got in somewhere here, and then boom, bam, get its numbers. And then there was another opportunity there. But yeah, that was the week. So it goes. What can you do? Got to keep the eye on the ball. That's all I can say. We win some, we lose some. But with that other trade, the EU trade, there was no reason to divert from the plan and think, okay, I need to change something. I know that the way I trade works. It just happens to not work at that moment because of the market wants to do what it wants to do. That's why certain times you might get a bit attached to the market and say, you know what, I expect it to go to this fair value gap or whatever. But certain times you can't even have that attachment to the market. The only thing you can expect for the market to do is move. That's all you can expect. There's nothing else you can expect. And if we have the skills to pay the bills and for allow the market for us to attach ourselves to the market when it's going to its directions, and we're making good predictions and analyzing ability is good, but still understanding that we can take losses, then we can attach ourselves to the market while it's making a movement, and with our analysis it can go hand in hand. But that's all I have for last week's trading. Back to square one, lost a few, so it goes, we move. Adios.